Welcome to Brain Vision.
This is the free body diagram of the portion of an excavator. Now let us calculate the theta component of velocity for the clevis. That is v theta is equal to r theta. We have r is 6 feet into inches, so 12 inches upon 1 feet. Theta is 10 into pi upon 180, that is equal to 12.57 inch per second. And now let us calculate the acceleration of the clevis in r direction. Minus r theta square. We have r dot is minus 2 minus 6 feet in inches multiplied by 10 into pi upon 180 whole square, that is minus 4.19 inch per second square. Now let us calculate the acceleration of the clevis in theta direction, that is in r direction. This is equal to, so that is equal to theta plus twice r theta. So putting the values, 12 inch in 1 feet into 0 plus 2 into 6 into 10 into pi upon 180 is 2.9 inch per second square. Now let us calculate the velocity of the clevis attached at B. Velocity is equal to VR ER plus V theta E theta. So VR is 6 inch per second plus V theta is 12.57 E theta inch per second. So therefore velocity of the clevis is this. Now let us calculate the acceleration of the clevis attached at B. So A is equal to AR ER plus A theta E theta. We have AR is minus 4.19 ER plus A theta is 2.09 inch per second square. So therefore acceleration of the clevis attached at B is minus 4.19 ER plus 2.09 E theta inch per second square.